Do you want to check Twitter X messages? You can see chats on X account with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To check messages and see chats on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, you will see all your chats and conversations on X. Tap on any conversation to open the chat. You can now read messages, send replies, photos, videos, or emojis. If you want to start a new chat, tap on the new message icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and search for the person you want to message to start conversation.